father bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went to out look at his new shoes. Oh no, he cried. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. I could find it. He sat outside on a step and suffered. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He dragged Bow Wow. Yes, looked at Moti. Moti, have you seen my shoe? Bow Wow. Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yes, followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Was saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat red had cried it there. Yes, packed it up. Thank God, he said. The rat has no nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition. Bow Wow. Moti agreed. Thank you. Moti said yes.